Hey everybody, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing with Amazon without a website. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and teaching you how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. So if this is your first time here and those topics are of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can know when I upload new videos. And if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing with Amazon without a website. I'm going to give you 5 steps. The first one is you're going to sign up for free, and this is the website, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and they pay anywhere from 4 to 6% depending on the category. The second thing you're going to do is find a product to promote, and the way if you have an idea of what you want to promote, you're going to go to product links once you sign in here. And then you'll go down to the keyword right here. So let's say maybe you have a YouTube channel, you're going to promote Amazon links through your YouTube channel, you're going to do product reviews. Maybe you want to promote CBD oil. Just put CBD oil in here. Let's see what comes up here. Okay, so there's a couple right here. Actually, there's quite a few. But we could take this one here for $24.97 and just click on Get Link. And then you would shorten it. Right, and that would be your link right there. So anytime someone clicks on that and purchases through that link, you would earn the commission. And let's see. The great part about it too is that the one product I do have on my YouTube channel, this is a video I created like 5 years ago, is the new Psycho Cybernetics. And so whenever someone purchases through there, and they also go and purchase other things, I make money within the 24 hours of anything else that they purchase. So a lot of times people don't just buy one thing on Amazon, they go and buy other things. So I'm sure that these buyers came in through the new Psycho Cybernetics and bought that, and I earned $1.80, and then they bought some other things in here that I made money from as well. And again, this is a video that's like 5 years old. The new Psycho Cybernetics 21-day plan to create your dream life. And I talk about the challenge and how this will absolutely change your life when you change your self-image. And then I have a link in the description to my Amazon affiliate link. Okay, number 3 is to create a video. So once you decide on what products you're going to promote, you're going to create a YouTube video, and you can have your whole YouTube channel based around one topic. So the most profitable niches are wealth, health, and relationships. So let's say you picked health as your niche, and you want to be really as specific as you can, so pick one topic. So maybe you're selling CBD oil, and you could create videos around that and then have a link in the description to your product, like what are the side effects of CBD oil, maybe another video is what are the benefits of CBD oil, just all different kinds of topics around CBD oil, and then you have a link in the description to your Amazon link. Or if you just have a product, you can link it to that as well, but we're talking about Amazon affiliate in this video. And then you want to SEO optimize your video so you can be found by search. So when somebody comes in to search on YouTube for a specific topic, that your video would come up near the top. For example, my video here comes up on the first page when somebody types in psycho-cybernetics. My video's down here, and I think I rank for another 21-day challenge. I think I'm up a lot higher on that one. But this, again, was one that I did 5 years ago, and I'm still making sales from it. I don't think that's the keyword, but I do rank for psycho-cybernetics. And I have another video I'm going to post below this video on how you would SEO optimize your video so that you'll be found on the first page of YouTube when people search for certain keywords, like side effects of CBD oil. That might be a keyword. And that way you will come up in the search and they'll find your video. And if you do videos that are of value, not so much trying to sell something, but actually like educating people, that's the kind of video that you want to create, not just trying to sell something, but actually helping somebody to solve a problem. And those three niches that I mentioned, health, wealth, and relationships, those are the three areas that people have the most pain and the most problems. So what you're trying to do with your videos is to solve a problem for them and give them information, and then you can refer them at the end of the video to your product. And then my fifth tip is to repeat this daily. So if you create a video daily about a specific topic and link it to your Amazon affiliate account, you will start to make sales, because what's going to happen is you're going to have a lot of videos out there. Your videos are going to rank higher, and you again want to create value in each one of your videos so that people will begin to know you and like you and trust you, and those are the people that will buy from you because they know you create value. An example of someone, just a YouTube channel that I wanted to show you, is called oh my gosh, what is it called? They do book reviews. Let me just put in psycho-cybernetics. They do book reviews, and here it is, Fight Mediocrity. And all of their videos are animated, so that's kind of an idea of what you could do. But let me click on this here. It's just running slow. They have, I think, 955,000 subscribers, and they're just very interesting videos about books that they've reviewed. So this is a channel that you can go and look at and get some ideas of what they've done. Again, it's called Fight Mediocrity. I'm just going to click off of that because my computer's running too slow. But the other thing to keep in mind too is that as you build your YouTube channel and are promoting these products through affiliate marketing with Amazon, then you can also, once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time within 12 months, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ad revenue. The ads that play at the beginning of videos, those, you can make money from that. So one example is a gentleman that started posting videos daily, like really valuable content videos, and he is almost up to 200,000 subscribers within a year, and he was posting daily videos. And his ad revenue, I'm sure it's more than this, but the last time he posted a video about it, it was $8,000 a month. So not only can you make money through affiliate marketing with Amazon, but you can also make money through Google AdSense in the ads that can play at the beginning of your videos. So this is a super powerful way that you can make money without a website and just through affiliate marketing with Amazon. So that's it for today's video. If you found value in this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you are new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe so that you can be notified of new videos that I put out on a daily basis. So I appreciate you guys. That's it for this video. Karen Merrow signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.